Hey guys, want to see how I made these super cute candles? Before I start, I just want to say thank you so much for being here with me. And, making candles makes me super happy. And I thought that maybe I could share these videos with you and maybe it can make you happy too. So I'll give you the rundown of what I did for these candles. I add each wick to the empty glass and then I hot glue the ends of the wicks to the glass and try to center it as much as possible. You can use wick stickers, but I prefer hot glue. Okay, so the ocean mist wax is melted. Pouring the wax from the metal pitcher into the that plastic pouring pitcher I have right there. I actually got that at Hobby Lobby for like $2. It's super helpful because the spout has like a more controlled pour. So here they are drying, and as you can see, the color slowly starts to turn lighter and lighter. Now I'm melting down the white linen wax. And I'm pouring it into the plastic pitcher, and hooray, this time I didn't dump it all over the counter. Okay, so with these candle votives, I'm going to weigh each one out. So what you do is you put the glass on the scale and then you hit tare, and that'll even it out. So you're weighing only the liquid wax that's inside that you're pouring in. And this is going to give you a more precise, it's really just going to look more professional. And when you go to do your cost of goods, you know that this is how much wax is in each one of these candles. So up top, all those candles are drying, and I love watching it in the time lapse. I think it's so cool. All those wooden popsicle sticks have holes in them, and it'll center your wick while they're drying. And then once they're dry, just trim the wicks as evenly as you can. You can use wick trimmers, but honestly, I just like to use like a really sharp pair of scissors. It's the same thing. I have super bad ADHD, so I like to do one step at a time. So if I'm doing 2 candles at once, I'll do it step by step with all of them together. That way I don't lose track of what I'm doing. And now it's time for the heat gun. So what the heat gun does is it's going to melt that top surface down, and it's going to eliminate all the bubbles and stuff that collected in there. So I heated the wax up in the white linen candles, and I'm putting cornflowers at the top. They don't really have a scent, but they're super cute. I have these little seashell beads, and I'm sorting them out and matching them together, which ones I want to go with which. I'm hand cutting my tag, and so those are going to go on the candle together. I'm just cleaning up the glass and wiping off any excess drippings or anything that might have splashed on it, so it just makes it look so professional. Now it's time for the twine. So the beads and the tag are going to wrap around this. Wrap it around a couple times and tie that sucker. The seashell beads are going to go on the ocean mist candle. I thought it was appropriate. I have some elastic string and I strung the beads through it. Put the tag on it. Tie it super tight and then hot glue drip just so it doesn't come undone. These candles are kind of small, so I went ahead and tucked in the extra twine, and then I'm hot gluing it to hold it together. I just didn't want too much going on or anything like that. These candles are done and they are ready to go to their forever homes. I'm going to be doing some more in-depth videos, a little bit more of how to do this from home. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.